Hi, it's Brett, and today I'm sharing with you a parfait recipe. So it's a chocolate berry layered parfait. And the fantastic thing with this is it's a recipe for dessert that you can use on your detox program. So we don't do many desserts, but this is a bit of a rare exception, this one. And the secret to the parfait is the chia seeds. So the chia seeds hold it all together naturally without using any sort of binding gel or anything. This is also a vegan recipe, so it's dairy free. And it's also a delicious dessert that you can use for, if it's just you, it'll last for 3 or 4 days, or for 2 of you, it'll last a couple of days. Only 15 to 20 minutes preparation, and you need to sit it in the fridge for 2 or 3 hours to set. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we've got our ingredients: some frozen raspberries, chia seeds, raw cacao, Canadian maple syrup and natural vanilla essence, and coconut cream. So we'll start with the coconut cream. I'm just going to put half the coconut cream in at this stage, and this is going to make up the berry layer. So we'll throw in the raspberries, and then a couple of tablespoons of maple syrup. It's important to get raw tree syrup. Proper Canadian maple syrup is best. And then we're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And same with the vanilla essence, it's really good to get natural vanilla extract, none of the artificial stuff. Okay, so we just puree that up until it's nice and smooth, and then we're going to add in the chia seeds. So we don't want to crush these chia seeds or destroy them in the blending, so we'll just give it a little very quick pulse just to get the chia seeds mixed into the berries. And what that's going to do is, we'll pour this into a container, it's going to make it set. So the chia seeds will produce this natural setting gel, which is quite incredible. So I'll just place that in the fridge for later. Right now, so we'll do the chocolate layer, and we'll use the rest of the coconut cream with the cacao powder. Good to get raw cacao if you can. And again, the maple syrup, a couple of tablespoons, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You could use stevia if you want to avoid the sugar content in this. So just add stevia to taste to sweeten it. And then this time with the chia seeds, we will just give it a little bit more of a pulse, just a little bit longer to break a few of them up, because we want this chocolate layer to set quite hard. So we're going to put that in the bottom, and then we will add the berry layer onto this later, because this is going to take quite a while to set this chocolate layer. So we're going to place this in the fridge now, and we'll leave it in there for 2 hours at least. Depends on your fridge and the size of your glasses, but 3 hours max. But yeah, good couple of hours, and it should set quite firm. And then we can chop on some dates. So I'm just chop these dates into about 4 bits each. Just crush a few more raspberries, because they're quite nice to have on the top. And then you just spoon in the remainder of the berry layer, and you've got your layers. So this is day 2 for serving for me. So as you can see, it's quite substantial and it's delicious.